To make a neat and tidy top knot bun, comb your hair back from your forehead and pull it into a high ponytail, close to the top of your head. Secure the ponytail in place with an elastic hairband. Next, divide the hair into 2 equal sections to make them smoother and easier to work with. Work a little mousse or styling cream through each of the sections. Grab the sections in both hands and twist them around each other, passing one over the other, until the entire length of your ponytail makes one long, twisted section. Take the twisted hair and wrap it clockwise around the elastic at the base of your ponytail. Tuck the end of the hair under the top knot. Then pin the knot in place with several bobby pins that match your hair color. Spritz the bun with hairspray to give it extra hold and prevent flyaways. If you want a messier, more voluminous top knot, back comb your ponytail before you wrap it. Put your hair into a ponytail like you would for a regular top knot. Then divide it into 4 sections. Grab each section one at a time and hold it straight up. Then, gently work a comb backwards down the length of the hair to tease it up. When you're done, use a brush to gently smooth the very top layer of the ponytail, which will make your back-combed hair easier to work with. Take your ponytail and wrap it clockwise around the elastic hairband. Then tuck the end of the ponytail under the elastic. Pin your messy bun in place with several bobby pins that match your hair. You can also create a fuller-looking top knot using a hair donut. Slide the donut over the base of your ponytail, then back-comb your hair like you would for a messy top knot. Wrap your hair clockwise around the donut, making sure to cover the donut completely. Tuck the end of the ponytail under the donut and pin it in place with bobby pins. Spray on some hairspray to help keep your top knot in place.